Okay, so to continue on, a student who prefers the cafeteria, which means they only care about those kids, that's a total of 90. And then of those, who's the girl? 53 of them are girls. And I can't simplify that. A surveyed student means any of them, so I need to add these two together. So I'm going to add 90 plus 58 plus 67, 90 plus 58 plus 67, and that's 215. And I'm looking specifically for the boy Jim, 58. Let me check to make sure I can't simplify, and I can't, okay? All right, I want to know if it's independent, dependent, and then actually find it. So two vowels, A, E, I, O, U. That's 5 out of 26 letters in the alphabet. With replacement, it's like it never happened. So there's still 26 letters in the alphabet. 5 over 26 times 5 over 26 is 25 over 676. But this one is two vowels are also chosen at random, but it's not replaced. So after the 5 over 26, there's now 25 letters left in the alphabet. You could assume I picked an A. That means all the other letters are left in the alphabet, and there's only 4 vowels left. So I'm going to simplify 2 over 65. Okay? Probability of green or black is 61%. Not green, not black. So red and blue, which is 39%, which makes sense because when you add that, you get 100%. All right, 1 through 20, less than 6 or a multiple of 8. Well, a multiple of 8 is 8 and 16. A number less than 6 is 1 through 6, and there's 6 out of 20 of those. And there's still 20 numbers, and that counts as 2 of them. And there's no repeats, so we're good. So that's literally independent. 8 over 20 divided by 4, 2/5. Okay, choosing a 20. I actually want to change this one. Why don't we say choosing, let's make a number less than 10 or an odd number, just to change it and make it more difficult, and this will be dependent. Okay, so if you do a number less than 10, that's 1 through 9. That means there's 9 numbers out of 20, or an odd number. Well, there's still 20 numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, which makes sense. It's half of them. But the problem is that I repeated some of those odds are between 1 and 9. So a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, and a 9 are all repeated. So I have to take away 5 of them. So that's 9 plus 10 is 19, minus 5 is 14 over 20. Simplifies to 7/10. Okay? So I'm going to figure out all these things, and then I'll repress play. So I figured out the mean. I added them all up. There's 8 numbers, and the mean's 11. The mode is 12 because there's the most 12s out of anything. And the median, small to big, 12 is in the middle. So it just so happens the median and the mode are the same thing. No big deal. Okay? The variance and standard deviation, first thing I need to do is I need to find the mean. Then I listed all the numbers. I took the mean, I subtracted it from each of the numbers and squared them. After I did that, I listed all those, added them up, and divided by 7, which gave me the variance. Remember, that's that symbol squared, and that's 914, rounded to the nearest hundredth. And then I square rooted, and I got the standard deviation. Make sure you write it exactly like that.